Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we are talking about Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we are talking about what is operators. For to more learn in this channel, you are all welcome to my channel. But first and foremost thing, you need to subscribe my channel for more updates and to share my channel. So coming to the topic, what is operators? Let's see what is the operator really is. So the operators is nothing but in the computer programming language, operators are special symbols which represent computation, conditional matching, etc. So in every computer programming language, there are some of the things that are similar to each other in every programming language. For example, arithmetic operator is the component of operators. So arithmetic operator. In some of the programming language, they are same arithmetic operators. So to understand operators completely, we just wanted to listen it complete. So don't skip this video, guys. Watch this video till the end to learn the concept of operators. In computer programming, as I told you earlier, every computer programming changes for the control structures, but every programming language does not changes for the operators. Every programming language have same operators. Let's say Python has also same operator as in C++. For example, the value of an operator is called operands. If you are defining a value in the variable and that variable value is operands, and operators are categorized as arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, etc. Values and variable when used with operator are known as operands, as I told you earlier. So to learn kind of operands, stay tuned guys, because I'm bringing the categories of operators. So stay tuned for to learn more about operator. Stay tuned for more to learn. Thank you guys. Share this video and subscribe to Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we are talking about the categorized component of operators. That is first off we have arithmetic operators. So to learn about arithmetic operators, watch this video till the end and share this video as much as possible. So to learn arithmetic operators, let's learn about the first definition. What the definition really says about it. So to learn the definition, here we are. Here now, an arithmetic operator is a mathematical operator that takes two operands, that is the values, and performs a calculation on them. They are used for simple arithmetic. Most computer languages contain a set of such operators that can be used within an equation to perform different types of sequential calculation. It is nothing but a simple thing that is written in the difficult way. So I tell you the simple way how to remember the arithmetic operators. So to remember arithmetic operators is just to remember the word arithmetic. Arithmetic is the nothing but to do the mathematical calculation. So mathematical calculation is just simply as a plus b, 2 plus 5, 8 plus 9. This kind of things comes under the category of arithmetic operators. If we see the example of arithmetic operators, so what says? Let's see. It says As I told you earlier, to perform an arithmetic operation, we have the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator is nothing but, as I told you earlier, to perform an arithmetic calculation, as we defined early in the program, that A equals to B 100 and B equals to 10. To evaluate the arithmetic operation, we have the operators like plus, that is addition, for minus for subtraction, multiplication, into for multiplication, star for multiplication, slash for division, modulus, and double slash for exponent, and double star for exponent, and double slash for division. So here A plus B, plus is nothing but the operator. A and B are the variables, and the value of A and B already defined, that is 110. 110 is operands, as I told you earlier in the first video of operators. So A minus B as the same, A plus B, A minus B also the same, 90, which is already we know. A into B, which is already 1000, which is already we know. A modulus B, which is already we know, 10.2, 10.0. So A module B is 10, A module B is 1000, A into exponent, double square is 10,000, A double slash, that is integer division, 3. So thank you guys for being with me. Stay tuned for more update. Stay tuned for the third part of the operators, that is relational and conditional. Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we are talking about the demonstration of the operators. We have learned already what is operator is. So in this video we are talking about the assignment, that is the arithmetic operators, the first step of the first component of the operators. So what is arithmetic operators? That should be learned in a previous video that has been learned. So in this video I'm demonstrating what is the arithmetic operator really is. So to demonstrate arithmetic operators, we just wanted to implement in a program, and I just choose for Python to implement the program. So just wanted to implement the arithmetic operators. So if you want to learn this kind of videos from me, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and share to my channel, and hit the like button and comments. So to implement the program, I just wanted to take a variable a equals to sum of the thing 10 and b equals to sum of the thing 12, and I just wanted to implement that arithmetic operators. For that I just need, let's take the sum. We are taking the sum, which is equals to when adding the variable. So here it ends and the commas with a plus b. Here plus is defined as the arithmetic operator. So if I do that, it will be printed the sum. 10 plus 12 is 22. And if I wanted to do for subtraction, the same thing I need to do here itself also. The subtraction, which is equals to, and the double quotes with commas, a minus b. Here minus represents the arithmetic operator. So a minus b is 10 minus of 12, it is minus 2. So to implement the third thing, that is the multiplication. So the multiplication equals to a into b. Here it will be printed a into b, and that is 120. 12 into 10 or 10 into 12 is 120. So this the third thing is the quotient. That is print the division. To the division, I just wanted to write here that division, which is equals to when it comes, which is equals to and ended with double quotes with commas, a divided by b. The answer would be as itself. So the fourth one is the remainder, that is the modulus. Modulus is nothing but the remainder. Divide something and what remainder remains, that is known as modulus. If I do here so, and what it comes, let's say print the division, that is the modulus, and that is equals to when a modulus of b, the results will come. So here I just mistaken that a, I just left the comma, so I just wanted to be copy and print here, and I left it here the comma. I just wanted to print here. So the modulus of 10 and 12 is 10, the remainder of that two numbers. So to implement exponent, here I use print, which is equal to the exponent and equals to when we do the 2 times multiplication, that is the square of something, that is a into of b. Let's say what it comes. So here also I left it the comma. So I just wanted to copy this file and paste it here, and I just wanted to place a comma here and enter. So the exponent of 10 into 12 is, look it at your way, what that's seen. So I wanted to print again, print the floor division, the last one here, for floor division equals to when a double divides b. Here also I'm forgetting the comma. The answer is 0. So thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this demonstration video. Please be kind enough to like this video and share this video. And thank you so much for everything. Thank you for watching this video. Aasalamualaikum guys. In this video we are talking about the video number 3, that is the relational or comparative operators. We have already learned that operators, what is operators and arithmetic operators. In this video we are learning about relational or comparative operators. So as I told you earlier, operator is to perform arithmetic operation. Here now, the relational or comparative, the word already defines what is that meaning is. Relational, to define the relation between some operators and some variables. That is called for relational or comparative operator, to compare one and other variables. Is we have the relational or conditional, this comparative operators. So to define that in a particular way, let's see what is that. So a relational operator is also called as comparative operator, which is the relationship between the operands. As I told you earlier, operand is nothing but the values of the operands, the values of the variables, the values of the operators. If the relational is true, it returns true, or otherwise it returns false. This is the KG concept to learn it. If the relation is true, it returns true, otherwise it returns false, as I told you earlier. So let's see the example, what the example really is in the relational operator. Relational operator. Here we have the example. For example, we are assuming a equals to 100 and assuming b equals to 35. So evaluate the following expressions. Equals to is a sign to compare a and b. अब ये if a equals to b, it means that it is false. We have already know because a does not compare with b because a is greater than b. Next stop we have the greater symbol. Greater than symbol to define a is greater than b. That is true. We have already know. Less than symbol to define a is less than b. That is not true because false. That is 100 is greater than 35. We have already know. Greater than or equals to symbol is used for greater or equal. It might be two operations on that. It is if it is greater than, it returns true. If it is equal, it also returns true. As the same, less than also, less than or equals to also. If it is less than, it is false, and if it is equal to, it returns false. Not equal to symbol as a symbol defined. Not equal to means not equal to symbol. We know already that a is not equals to b. That defined by exclamatory mark or equals to. That is also true. So to learn more about operators, to know more about the programming concept, stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe, share, like, comment. Don't forget to SSLC. The SSLC was made by me. Everybody has to SSLC for my channel. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we are learning about the assignment operator, that the fourth component of the operators. We learned about operators, relational and comparative operators, arithmetic operators, and another thing what we learned was is conditional operators. Here we are learning about the assignment operators. So to learn assignment operators completely, stay tuned in this channel, stay tuned in this video, don't skip this video to learn more about operators and programming concepts. So here we are, definition of assignment operator. Equals to symbol is a simple assignment operator to assign values to a variable. We actually know about how to define a variable. If we're defining a variable, we need an operator that is assignment operator, that is called as assignment operator, that is equals to symbol. If we are defining a variable, a equals to the symbol uses that is known as assignment operator. So to gives the values to the variable. For example, let a equals to 5 and b equals to 10, and then assign the value 5 to a and 10 to b. As I told you earlier, that equals to symbol is an assignment operator symbol. So to define, so to assign the values to the variable, it can also be. So two assignment statement can also be given as a comma b equals to 5 comma 10. That is, we actually knew that is the logical method, and that assigns the values 5 and 10 on the right to the variables a and b respectively. There are various component operators in Python, like plus equals to, minus equals to, into equals to, slash equals to, modulus equals to, modulus equals to, double star, that is squares, exponent equals to, double slash, that is which is equals to, and also available in the Python programming. We are learning about Python programming. It is logic. Assignment operator is common for every programming language. So here we are assuming two example the assignment operator. Assume x equals to 10 equals to symbol. Assign right side operand to the left variable. That is, as I told you earlier, x equals to 10, which is x, and equal to symbol is nothing but the assignment variable. And here we are defining this that is b equals to computer, and equal to symbol is known as assignment operator. Plus equals to added and assign back the results to the left operands. So plus equal to is operator used for 2 plus x, we are giving the value equal to 30, x equal to 30, x plus equals to 20, which means that 30 plus 20, which is 50, there have to be printed 50. So minus equals to subtract the, and assign back the value. The result to the left operand. Example, x equals to 25, we are defining x minus equals to 5. It means that x minus 5, to minus the value x minus 5 from the value of x, into equal to multiply and assign back the result, the operand. We are defining the variable x equals to 125 and x into equals to 5. To multiply 125 into 5, that is the multiply and assign back the result. And the fourth and the next is slash equals to divide and assign back the result. If we are defining x equals to 62.5, then x equal x slash equals to 2, which means to divide x value to the 2. And next up, modulus equals to taken modulus remainder. Modulus is remainder, actually no, we know that, using two operands and assign the result, using two operands and assign the result to the left operand. For example, we are defining x equal to 2.5, x modulus equal to 3, that is 2.5 modulus 3 gives us the result, the output. Into is to perform the power exponential, which is a power calculation on operators and assign value of the left operands. For example, we are defining x equal to 6.25, x into equals to 2, which means that the square of x value is 6.25 and 6.25 square, which will be printed in the output itself. So slash equals to perform floor division on operators and assign values to the left operand. To perform floor division on the operators, for example, x equals to 2.0, x slash equals to 3, which means to divide 2 times. 2.0 divided by 2 times by 3, that is known as the floor division on operators and assign value to the left operand. So thank you guys for being with me. Thank you for watching this video. So to learn more about the programming concepts, stay tuned in my channel and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we are learning about the demonstration of what we had already learned. The concept is called assignment operator. So to learn more about operators, you need to watch my previous video that is completely been explained by myself. So if you wanted to learn more these kind of concepts, subscribe my channel and share my videos, and also be kind enough to like my channel, also the videos, and to share my channel. So to demonstrate assignment operators here, you want to text as 10. Okay, we just wanted to print x as same as x, x equal to what the value of x will be printed here. X equals to 10, we know already that. So I just wanted to print x plus equals to 10. What will be the output? Guesses? Here the output is 20 because we are already printed x plus equals to 10. The value is as stored in the x. So here x, the value would be 20. If I do same kind of thing here, then it will be here x plus equals to symbol represents the assignment operator. Also it is known as delimiters. So delimiters in the future, we had already learned about delimiters, but here we are learning about demonstration of assignment operator. So here we wanted to declare another kind of variable, another kind of operation in the x minus equals to 10. So what would be the answer is? So the answer, we already know that the answer is x minus equals to 10 and the answer will be in the x variable. Let's enter the x will be 10 because the value x changes here 20 and 20 minus 10 is 10. So I want to print another thing. First I want to declare the operation x equals to x b2 equals to 2. Let's say what it would be. Print x into equals to 2. Then what would be the output? It is 20 because 10 into 2 is 20. So the third one is x divisible equals to 2. Print x divisible equals to 2 in the output statement, that is in the x, that is 10 because 20 divided by 2 is 10. And second, the next is x modulus equals to 2. Let's say what would be the answer is. Print it is 0. We know already that. X modulus equals to 2. Then what would be the output, guys? The output would be as same as the operation, that is, let's say x, and the answer is 0. We had already know that. So the next thing, the second last thing is equals to 4. Let's say okay, print x into equals to 4. Then what would be the answer here? The answer is more visible because it is 0 into anything is 0. We know that already because x, the value changes in the end between the program. And let's say another thing, because it will also be 0 because x value is 0. Let's, for the convenience, x double divides equals to 2. It is also 0 because 0 divided by 0 divided by anything is infinite. Let's say what we answer, x divided by 2 equals to 2. Then what would be the answer, guys? Here the answer would be in the x, stored in the x. Let's say it is also 0. So here's how you could be able to implement the assignment operator in the Python programming. So to learn more these kind of concepts, stay tuned my channel and also hit the like button and be kind enough to share my videos. And also I want to see the comments, guys. So thank you guys for everything. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum, guys. In this video we are learning about the operators. So we have learned already about arithmetic, relational and comparative, and the third component of operators is logical operators. So to learn this kind of more concepts, you subscribe my channel and share my channel. And for also, if you wanted to know more about me and myself, my passion, so you have you better go to my blog, and that is called Start Educating learnthepassion.blogspot.com. So here the concept of logical operators. So logical operators are used to perform logical operations on a given relational expressions. There are three logical operators. They are and, or, and not. And, or, not. Three kinds of logical operators. So to example for that is here. We are assuming A equals to 97 and B equals to 35. To evaluate logical expressions here, or using the OR keyword, we are defining the OR statement in the Python programming. For example, A is greater than B. We know already that that is true, or A equals to B. Here we are giving two conditions, but it checks only one condition. If one condition satisfied, then it will be printed the first condition's result. If it is false first condition, and it will be printed, it will be go on to second condition and check whether it is true or not, and it will be given the output according to the conditions. So the second part of the logical operator is and that is here also the same procedure. We are giving the two conditions, but here it does not check. Here it checks both the condition. A is greater than B, that is true. A is not equals to B. We know that because A is 97 and B is 35, and for that it printed the false statement. Understand, guys? Make it clear and completely easy. So here A is greater than B, we know that is true, and A is not equals to B, and that's why it printed false. And statement is to check both the conditions. Or statement is to check rather the conditions. If one condition true, it will be printed true, otherwise it will be printed false. And statement is to check both the conditions. If one condition is false, it will be printed as false. So the third part of the logical operator is not. Not. The keyword not is defined for the operation in the programming. Not A is greater than B. We know that A is greater than B, but it is printed as false. That is not true, because the not statement itself contains the answer, because it will not going to check any kind of condition. Instead of it will print it this kind of own statement, that is not false. So for that, not statement is being given for not to be check the condition. So these kind to learn more about these kind of concepts, subscribe my channel and share this channel to the entire world, and the world should see how does I work on five programming languages and what the concept and how I understand the concept. So to make learn easy, the channel required for you, the channel requires for the audience. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to visit my blog, and that is Thoughts Entertainment learnwithpassion.blogspot.com. Link in the description. Go and check it out how I work with the life. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much, and don't forget and be kind enough guys to like and wants to see the comment in there. So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you guys. Assalamualaikum guys, in this video we are learning about the demonstration, what really is relative and comparative operators is. We have learned about the demonstration of arithmetic operator and how to implement in the program. So in this video we are learning how to implement the relational and comparative operators. So that to learn here, first make sure you have to do, first let's take a as int. For my convenience, yes, int, which is input taken in the text, enter the value of a, enter the a, let's say enter with double quotes and add with double parenthesis and enter a. If I enter a is nothing but 10. Okay, for my convenience, let's second b as int, and which is also input, and in the text enter the b. So what will it be? Ended with double quotes and also ended with double parenthesis. For my convenience, b is taken as 12. To implement here the relational and comparative operator, we just need print a equals to, for my convenience, a equals to, which is a, and b b equals to, which is b equals to a.
So A is taken as 10 and B is taken as 12. Here A is not printed for the reason, just let it be the reason. So to implement the relational and comparative operators, stay tuned. Let's say print A equals to B. It's right or wrong. Let's say it is. We already know it is not right, it is not correct. Let's say what the programming says. It is false, we already know. So to implement another thing, print A is greater than B and commas A is greater than B. It is false because A is 10, B is 12. Let's say print A is less than B. That is true. For the computer convenience, let's say what is the real answer is A less than B. What is the answer would be? Answer is we actually know it is true. It is also true. So the third thing is print A is greater than or equals to B. Yeah, actually this is also false. Let's say what is that is B. True or not, let's say it is false. So let's say again print A is less than or equals to B. Let's say the same thing here also. So that with parenthesis, it is true. We actually know that. You know what? There is no difference between A is greater than B or A is less than B. It is equals to with the here A equals to A greater than or equal to B is not difference with A greater than B, because we know that both the answer would be false. If A equals to 10, B equals to 10, it will be true. So it is not true. So the last thing is A is not equals to B. Let's print out that also. Print A not equals to B. Okay, let's say A not equals to B. What it prints, that is also true. So thank you guys for being with me for learning the demonstration of relational and comparative operator. Stay tuned guys for the third one, the third component of operator, that is logical. So stay tuned guys for more updates. Stay tuned, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel.
Assalamualaikum guys, in this video we are learning about the conditional operators. This is the fifth part of the operator series. So to learn more about conditional operators, stay tuned in this video and watch till the end. To watch this video, it is the best source you to learn more about these concepts. Like, so programming concept is also one of the concepts to be learned in this competitive world to be a successful person. So to learn conditional operators, here we are. The ternary operator is also known as conditional operator that evaluates something based on the condition being true or false. It simply allows testing a condition in a single line, replacing the multi-line, if also making the code compact. Here, the ternary operator is also known as the conditional operator that evaluates something based on a condition being true or false. Conditional operator is if and only if possible when it is based on a condition being true or false. It simply allows a testing a condition in a single line, replacing the multi-line. It simply allows a testing condition in a single line, replacing the multi-line, if else making the code compact. Syntax syntax of the conditional operator is variable name. Suppose we are defining variable name A and on true this statement block true if test expression is nothing but a greater than b or a is greater than 10. If the test expression passes, then it will print it true, or else it will print the false statement. It is just like if else statement, which we had learned already in the previous video, that is Python control structure. So to learn this kind of concept, stay tuned in this channel. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum guys, in this video we are learning about the demonstration of conditional operator. So I had already learned you what is conditional operator and the types of the operators, and also with the demonstration. This video is particularly for the conditional operator. The conditional operator says, let's say what the conditional operator here is. Yeah, I wanted to declare two kinds of variable at the same time, so I just type a comma v equals to 10 comma 12. Here the two variables declared at the same time. So I just want a minimum. Let's say max. Maximum is the keyword to define the maximum value of the number. For example, max equals to j if a is less than b, else b, else v. Here I declared the variable as v, so I just want it to be print here v, type here v, and wanted to print the max here. So the max, what does the max is? Max is 10. Yeah, if here the line says itself max equals to a, which is 10, if a is less than b, else v. It is it is true. The condition we given, that is true, because we are I given here the condition a is less than b. That is true. The condition is true because 10 is less than 10, 12 is less than 10 is less than 12. So I just wanted to print out min function. Min is nothing but the minimum of the function. If a is greater than b, else v. It is also printed as the same thing, that 10, the value 10 will be printed here also. Min, let's say what it be. It is 12 because the condition here false, because of that it printed 12, that is the value of v. So to learn this kind of more concepts, stay tuned with my channel and be kind enough to like my videos and also share the videos. Also, I want to see the comments there, guys. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you very much, and subscribe to my channel.